Hi there and welcome to this video for the recently introduced Aquamedic DC runner pumps. Aquamedic have been offering the DC runner for some years now, but only in a larger size. This new range is a more compact range with smaller outputs. There's the 400, giving up to 450 litres an hour, the 600, which offers up to 600, the 800 up to a maximum of 800, and the 1000 to a maximum of 1000 litres. The pumps themselves are very compact in size, so can be used for multiple uses, from circulation to obviously current in your aquarium. The smaller two pumps, which are the 400 and the 600, come with a fixed outlet on the top for use with a 13mm hose on the top of both of them. The physical size of them is 87mm by 43mm by 58 on the smaller one. And if you remove the box or the filter housing, that can be reduced on both pumps to 64mm by 43 by 58. So very compact for use in multiple applications. The pumps themselves are all 24 volts and are also ultra silent in use, so very, very quiet within your aquarium. The two larger pumps, which is the 800 and the 1000, they measure 120mm by 56 by 82. And again, this can be reduced by removing the filter basket, which then reduces the length to 95mm. Let's just have a quick look at what comes in the box. This particular one is the DC Runner 1000. So exactly the same as the 800, obviously just a slightly higher output. In the box itself, the first thing you get is the card with a QR code, and that will send you to the Aquamedic D website, where comprehensive instructions are available in multiple languages. You then get the filter basket, the main pump itself, a 24 volt universal transformer, which plugs into the pump, and then you get different plugs or different fittings of plugs depending on where you are in the world. Obviously in the UK we use a 3-pin. Other parts of the world, different power supplies. The difference from the smaller pumps, obviously I've already said, these have got a fixed 13mm outlet. On the larger two pumps, you have a fitting which screws onto the top of the pump, and then you have a 12mm, 16mm and 19mm outlet. And that simply screws onto the top of the pump. So you use whichever one you want, which best suits your application. The filter baskets simply push on. So just to recap, these are the new compact current circulation pumps by Aquamedic. They're available in 400, 600, 800 and 1000, and they're available now. Thank you very, very much for watching this video.